Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your TikTok videos keep either getting taken down, your lives keep getting taken down, or basically it's people false reporting your specific TikTok videos. Now, the first thing I'd recommend looking at is whether your TikTok video or your live was actually considered against TikTok's terms of service. So essentially, TikTok is kind of striking down more on these videos. So if you feel like your video was actually against their terms of service, well, there's really not a whole lot you can do. You can try repealing it, but probably you're not going to get it unrepealed because if you really think it was against their terms of service, then you're probably better off not even repealing it and just letting it get taken down. You'd rather have your video taken down than your account taken down. Now, let's say you really do think it was a false report. Either people are botting reports to, get your video taken down. Well, there are a couple ways to do this. Right now, it's a pretty big issue because it's a new feature. But right now, TikTok is allowing you to appeal that decision. So when you get a little pop up that says, hey, your video is taken down, there's a little appeal button. If that doesn't work for some reason, you can always make your way over to your internet browser. You can always type in contact TikTok just like this, and you'll be able to contact TikTok directly. So you can visit their help center here. You can also go see a couple other things, but if you click on their help center, you will be able to get to an option eventually that says that basically allows you to contact them. So sometimes if you find this little report a problem, option, you can click report a problem. Obviously they have these report a video and options, everything like that. But you can go ahead and click report another issue right here. Now sometimes you will be able to report a problem here. If not, you can follow these instructions and actually report a problem via an app, and then you should be able to be good for the most part. You're going to report that problem and let them know, hey, my video was taken down. It did not deserve to be taken down. Please take a look at it. Most probably they'll take a look at it and be able to fix the issue from there. So if that doesn't work, you can always try making sure that your TikToks from then on out are actually for their terms of service and taking a look there. But those are pretty much the main things you can do as of this point. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.